Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to have multiple practices on a single. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Healow app. Then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, here what you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then select manage accounts or link another account. Then tap on add a new account option. Then on the select relationship screen, choose the appropriate relationship, example say child or spouse, and then tap on save. Then provide your first name, last name and date of birth, then tap on continue. Then if you have a practice code, select yes, and if you don't have a practice code, select no. Then search for the practice by providing name and location. Once done, verify the selected practice and tap on this is my practice. Then verify your account by choosing a verification method from phone verification or login with username. Then once done, agree to the terms and set security pin, and once done, your new practice is now linked to your Healow app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.